everybody. Thank you so much for being here and supporting us today. Firstly, I want to start by saying thank you to my team for making me a part of such a beautiful story. Thank you, Ravi Garu. Thank you, Ram Garu. Thank you, Mahesh sir. Without them, I wouldn't be Mahalakshmi, and I would really regret if I were not Mahalakshmi. So I'm very proud to be Mahalakshmi, and I always will be because it's such a beautiful story. Thank you so much for all your wonderful reviews. I've read each and every one of them, and I can sense the love, and I hope you all spread the love. And at the same time, we went to the US store, theater visits, and the amount of love the film has got is very overwhelming and very sweet. And I hope more people get to see this film. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ భాగ్యశ్రీ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీరు పాడట్లేదు, మీరు ఒక స్టెప్ వేయట్లేదు. ఓకే, మిగతావి చాలా ఉన్నాయి ఫంక్షన్స్, అక్కడ అక్కడ చూద్దాం అంటున్నారు ఆవిడ. సో ఎస్పెషల్లీ దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫిలిం లైక్ అంటే న్యూ కాన్సెప్ట్ని